Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change like a color on a video in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to change this this fire video to like another color. But if I add in like a color now, for instance I add in blue, it might turn the video green. So go to filters first and add in a black and white filter. Then go to media and you are going to add in the color that you want on top of the filter. Go to blend mode and choose linear burn, and as you can see it turns the flame blue. You can do it with almost any color. Let's try this one. I think it's better though if it's darker so it shows up more, but as you can see it creates this cool effect. And that is basically it really. You can even add a lot of colors if you want to. Let me just put this on top. Like so. And then select linear burn. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!